Hey y'all, I'm super excited to be back on my channel and sharing another video with you guys. With this whole quarantine going on and people having to stay at home, I finally got some time to sit down and record a video for you guys, and I'm really excited. Today I'm going to be doing a look for you guys and I hope you guys enjoy. Honestly, I'm not even sure like what kind of look I'm going for. I just know I'm just gonna see what the flow is. I have a lot of makeup that I haven't touched in a long time because again, life has been crazy and I just haven't really had time to play with my stuff. So I guess today I'm gonna call it a play date with makeup because that's what I want to do, just kind of play with the makeup and see what I have. So usually I start with my face on a like daily basis. That's just kind of what I do, but because I'm thinking about going a little extra with the eye makeup today, I'm going to start with the eyes to prevent fallout from getting on my face. You're looking at my drawer of eyeshadows. I have random little single stuff. I have little palettes. Also back here I have my Shop Miss A palettes. Most of these are Coastal Scent eyeshadows that I really love and enjoy. The eyeshadows in the top left corner are honestly my fave. So to start off, I'm gonna be using this LA Colors Pro Conceal just to use it as a base for my eyeshadow. Yeah, I've just been using my concealer just as a base to kind of create a nice little clear coat. And while that kind of sets onto my eyes, I go in and do my eyebrows and clean them up with the concealer. So I like to do my eyebrows and just kind of have that on before I start actually putting on eyeshadow. And the eyebrow products that I like to use is from Milani. It's their Stay Put brow color. I've used this for such a long time. Now I'm just gonna go in and clean them up with the same concealer. Once I've gone in and done and cleaned them up, I'll just go ahead and just kind of brush them out. They're a little thicker right now because I haven't gotten them done since before the quarantine and it's been a minute. Okay, now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and start with the eyeshadow, and I like to start with the transition shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a transition shade right, you know, right where the brow bone is a little bit. And I'm gonna take, from my palette, I'm gonna take this brown color. I believe this one's called medium tan or something like that. Oh crap! Oh, it's called Oatmeal Tan. So this is the eyeshadow I'm going to be using. Look what I just did. I almost just dropped the whole, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can see this part a little bit better. Yeah, you see how like nasty my eyebrows are? Oh, and I forgot to put the gel on. Let me just do that right quick. Of course, you can fill them in more if you want. I'll probably add a little more in here. But for now, I'm just gonna leave them like that. I'll do it later if I remember. So I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of just brush it in here. Okay, I guess we'll use this guy. See how this goes. So this is from e.l.f. Just professional blending eye brush. I think this was $1. I got this like a long time ago. I'm gonna go into this Oktober color, and I use this color all the time. I'm gonna use a different blending brush. This is from Real Techniques, a blending crease brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this out softly. I can't do it with my hair like this. I'm sorry, guys. What? Okay. Alrighty. Who doesn't love this hair look? Hairdo. Purdue. I don't know. Leave me alone. Alright, I'm just gonna use any brush that I have right now. And in this case, I'm gonna use this e.l.f. blending brush. Literally, these are all just blending brushes. I'm just looking for something that's a little bit flatter in shape so that I can put more darker color in the crease. And I'm just gonna go into this guy. And you can use the same brush that I used earlier, the e.l.f. one. And the eyeshadows that I'm using are from Coastal Scents, and I'm a huge fan of Coastal Scents. Those eyeshadows only cost me $1, like 98 cents, I believe. I think twice a year they'll put their eyeshadows on sale. I'm gonna go into my Emily Noel palette. Look at how ginormous this palette is. I really love it. Anyway, I'm gonna definitely incorporate some red plum tones in here. And I'm definitely gonna be using this color right here called Pizzazz because I'm a fan. And I'm gonna go into Deuce Paid to give me a little more brown in there. I think I'm gonna go into Apartment, and I'm gonna use that dark brown and pop it into the crease just to darken it a little bit more. And I'm actually gonna use a flat brush for this. I'm just kind of placing it where I want and kind of brushing upward. Okay, you see, it looks insane, but I promise you it'll be better. So now I'm just gonna go in and blend, and then I'm gonna go into Pizzazz. I'm gonna scratch away this layer that I created because I was being dumb. So I'm gonna go in and add a little more cheer to my life. Just joking. I'm just gonna add some more right in the crease. And then I'm gonna take some Apartment with the same brush. And I'm just gonna tap that on the last third part of my eyeball. Not my eyeball, my eyelid. Don't put this on your eyeballs. I'm just gonna kind of put it in there and kind of blend it out. You see how my eyeshadow is literally going all the way up to my eyebrow? That's not a cute look. We don't want that. So when this happens to me, which is quite often, I just go back in with the concealer and I go right under my eyebrow again. Do you see how that looks a lot better? Like it doesn't look like it's reaching all the way to my eyebrow. And then go in and blend. I'm gonna spritz my face with Mario Badescu. I put it in this little MAC bottle because I love the spritzer on this. So for foundation, I've been using this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. This was supposed to last for 24 hours. In my personal opinion, I don't think it lasts for 24 hours. But I still really enjoy this, so I still use it. So just shake it up, and something I've been doing lately is spritzing my brush. I'm just using this It Cosmetics brush. Also, a quick tip for foundation: when you want it to look as natural as possible, take it down your neck and get like right here by your eye, your ears, because your ear has the same color as the rest of your face. So then I'll just go in and put concealer on. I think that was a lot actually. Ooh, that was a lot. Okay, just gonna spread it around. Bring it around town. Okay, I know I'm crazy. I'm just gonna bring it down my nose and put it on my forehead, just because I didn't think I was gonna use that much, and then I went and put the whole thing on there. With the brush that I just used for my foundation, I'm gonna go in and kind of blend it. Notice how a lot of what I use is just my fingers. You don't need these fancy brushes and sponges. I'm a fan, but you don't need them. If you don't have them, you don't have to go out and buy them. I just poked my eyeball. So now I'm just gonna set my concealer, and I'm gonna use the e.l.f. blush brush. It's a tapered one. I'm gonna set it with my Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Banana. And then I just, again, place it where I put the concealer. So the middle of my forehead. Also, it's the part of me that gets the most greasiest. And the side of my nose. Look how bright I look. Next thing I'm gonna do is bronze my face a little bit. This is by BH. This is their Brilliance bronzer in the shade Bronze Babe. Okay, we're just gonna use the Mikasa F120. Okay, and I'm gonna give you a tip for blush because I've been doing this lately and I really enjoy it. If you want your blush to last a little longer, use lipstick. And so the color or the lipstick I've been using lately is this NYX Suede cream lipstick in the shade Softspoken. I've just really enjoyed this lipstick since it first came out. I first bought it, and it's honestly my go-to lipstick. But anyway, I'll just go ahead and clean off the brush as like to have as little product as possible, and I go and kind of apply them in dots and blend it out with my finger. If you have a little sponge, that might make this process a little easier. Now I'm gonna apply highlighter, and then I'm gonna apply powdered blush. This is the Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator. It's just their Baked Gelato one. In the shade Gilded Honey. I think that it gives you a nice, natural, cute glow. Yeah, you can definitely build this up to be super intense, and I really like that because sometimes I just want more of a natural glow. And other times I want to be seen from the moon, you know? Put it down the bridge of my nose just a little bit, just a little bit, you know, not that much. Okay, the tip of my nose, over my lip. I'm gonna go over that with a little bit of blush. So this is the powder blush I'm gonna use. This is by NYX in the shade Mocha. And then I'm using Real Techniques powder brush. And just because I feel like I maybe went overboard with the blush, I'm gonna go back in and add a little more highlight. I'm gonna go back into the palette that I was using earlier, and I'm gonna take the shade right here called Corduroy. This beautiful green color right here, Corduroy. Okay, I'm just gonna pop this at the bottom, and then I'm gonna take Dark and Early, which is that black color up here. It's not really black, but it's very dark. And I'm just gonna line the top with this color. And to open up my eye, I'm going to line with Milani Shadow Eyes and Almond Cream. And I'm still not sure if I want to put lashes on, but I think I will. So I'm not gonna do too much with mascara. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and put a little bit of mascara on. I'm gonna go in with Gilded Honey again, and which is the highlighter we used. Okay, now that we got that, let's put some lashes on. So my favorite lashes are by Kiss, and these are the Page Boy lashes. I know they look a little wonky and crazy here. These are no longer sold in stores. I had to actually get this off Amazon, and I think they were like $10 for a pair of 4. So I'm gonna try out this lipstick that I wasn't the biggest fan of at first, but I'm gonna see if I like it this time. I haven't used it in forever. This is called Take 5 by Colourpop. It's just kind of a pinky color, and I figured it would just kind of look nice with the look that I have going on today. This is the entire look I did today. I just put some lashes on, and they're kind of falling down. If I'm honest, they're not like super, I don't know, they're not like super fluffed up today. So this is the look. I am a big fan of this so far. And actually, as I'm trying to show you guys, but I just realized I didn't put any black eyeliner in my upper waterline. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. That's always the hardest part for me. It like scares me because I'm like, I'm gonna end up losing an eyeball. So that's it for the look today. I really enjoyed it. I like how the lashes just kind of let the eyeshadow still pop through, although they are kind of falling. I don't know why, but I do love these lashes, and I'm kind of feeling this lipstick with the look. So if you really liked it, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below, and I will be seeing you guys hopefully in a next video. Bye.
This or no? Right now. Make up your mind.
Fine.
Get the truth.
I'll just have two. Ooh, 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 ooh.